Grabe ang ganda. This is one of the magnificent views here. Pag may property ka dito sa aming bagong launch na subdivision, which is Carcela Estates, Nuvali. Isang mapagpalang araw sa lahat, no? I am very excited to show you this video, no? Because for the first time in this YouTube channel, we will be having another subdivision in Nuvali, which is Carcela Estates Nuvali. And you can own this property, ano? As low as 16,000 per month. But before that, let's have a quick drive-through, no? Para makita lang natin yung mga developments inside Nuvali before going here sa ating subdivision, which is Carcela Estates Nuvali. I am very excited na mapuntahan natin yung ating newest development in Nuvali, which is Carcela Estates Nuvali. Amongst the subdivisions of Avida Land inside Nuvali, ano, ito yung pinakamataas, of course, ito yung pinakamalamig, no? And I am very excited na mauna tayo, na mapuntahan natin and makakuha tayo ng a piece of property habang nasa early stage of investment pa lang tayo. As I always say to my presentations, no, Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala land in the Philippines, composed of 2,500 hectares. Transcends three key cities of Laguna, which are Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao. Dahil malaki si Nuvali, no, meron siyang 4 segments, which are Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Nandito po tayo ngayon, no, sa entrance ng Nuvali, and dito po usually known si Nuvali sa man-made koi pond, sa mga Solinad malls, but those are just part of Nuvali. So dito po, no, as you can see on our right side is the Ayala Mall Solinad. We have the 1, 2, and 3, and nababanggit ko sa mga previous vlogs ko na ongoing na po yung construction ng Solinad 4. Yun yung additional na mall natin inside Nuvali. And on our left side naman po, no, is the man-made koi pond na 4 hectares po yung laki niya, na pwede ka po dyan mag-koi fish feeding, mag-boating. And dyan din po located yung ating Seda Hotel, yung Ayala Brand Hotel natin, and the ongoing construction of Nuvali Techno Hub, ang ating Ayala Land offices na meron siyang 1.5 hectares sa development. So in the future, no, lahat ng BPO and IT companies natin, dito na po sila mag-dwell in Nuvali. Diretso po tayo, no? On our right side naman, makikita naman po natin yung ating landers. Ang kagandahan sa landers, na pag mayroon kang na-purchase dyan na any item, free yung haircut mo. So by the way, this is the 10th branch of landers in the Philippines. And pag dumiretso ka dyan, nandyan naman po yung existing na SNR, yung newly opened na commercial, which includes Uniqlo, McDonald's, CBTL, and Jollibee. And dyan din po located yung Healthway Qualimate Hospital, na magkakaroon sila ng expansion in the future for the Kiddie Center naman. So this is the first ever Kiddie Center outside Metro Manila. And dyan din po, no, sa pinaka-location na yan, makikita din po yung SM Julo Premier. So ito yung SM na malapit sa Nuvali, na kagandahan, no, it will cater the high-end or affluent market of the South. So parang siyang resemblance, no, ng SM Aura sa BGC. Diretso po tayo, no? On our left side is the East Block. East Block is 11.7 hectares in size, na purely for corporate offices. And yung katapat naman niya, no? Dito naman is the North Central Business District or North CBD, ng 5 beses ng size ng East Block. Na together, no, pagkatapos po itong mga developments na ito yung magiging parang BGC natin inside Nuvali, na magkakaroon ng opportunities and careers dito inside Nuvali, na in the future yung mga taga-South na from Bicol, Quezon Province, Laguna, Batangas, dito na po sila mag-work in Nuvali. Sa loob ng Nuvali, no, meron po ditong rotonda. So ito yung first exit niya, no, papunta siyang Casino Road going to Tagaytay Highlands. And yung second exit naman po natin, ito naman po yung way natin papuntang Nuvali Central. Ito naman po yung Nuvali Central, no, paglagpas natin ng guardhouse, dito po makikita naman yung upcoming locator natin, which is the Central Block. kagandahan dito, no, aside from the Soledad Mall sa labas, ito yung 12 hectares na high-end commercial area na in the future, no, yung mga nakatira inside Nuvali, meron silang sariling commercial dito. Na dito po ang unang ginagawa is yung the shops, yung mga restaurants, and sunod naman po yung Mary Mart, yung grocery store natin, na lahat ng convenience nasa loob na talaga ng Nuvali. And ito naman po, no, yung pinaka-street na yan, pag dumiretso ka po dyan, dito po located yung ating Xavier School, one of the schools inside Nuvali. And pag dumiretso ka pa dyan naman po makikita yung Sonata Park Stories Nuvali. This is the first ever pet-friendly condo of Avidaland in the Philippines. And for those who are interested naman na magkaroon ng rental business in Nuvali in the future, i-post ko po yung link sa baba no, ng ating video na Sonata Park Stories Nuvali. Grabe, no? These are the establishments na makikita natin inside Nuvali. Na alam mo, in the future, no? Na kapag natapos itong buong Nuvali, grabe ang market value appreciation dito. That's why Nuvali is considered as the next Makati or BGC of the South. But this time, siya yung more improved version, no? Na dito mas malaki ang mga roads, mas malapad ang mga daan, mas malaki ang mga puno, mas malinis ang hangin. Everything inside is more improved na. On our left side naman, no, is the ongoing construction of Rockwell development. So this is approximately 60 to 70 hectares, no. Nakakagandahan dito. Pero ditong isang high-end residential si Rockwell, ay magkakaroon din daw po dito si Rockwell ng power plant mall. Na of course, no, Rockwell is known for creating beautiful malls na pagkatapos ito, it's like win-win situation between Rockwell and Ayala Development na magkakaroon tayo ng additional na mall sa loob ng Nuvali. Ito naman po yung along Nuvali Boulevard, no, yung pinaka-road niya, yung tumbok po na yan is a 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall. So in the future, no, para siyang market sa BGC na yun po 8 hectares lang yun. But imagine, itong mall is mas malaki pa than in market. Sa pinaka-tuktok niya, no, you have the prime view of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, even Laguna de Bay. Kita niyo po, dahil sobrang taas po ng view dyan sa area na yan. So in the future, no, pag may mall na po dito in Nuvali South, hindi mo na kailangan magpunta ng Nuvali Central or Nuvali North kasi meron po tayo dito malapit kay Corsella Estates, Nuvali. Mag-right side lang tayo, no? But kung nag-left side tayo, doon naman po makikita yung 31 hectares na play park. One of the exciting developments inside Nuvali, no? Ito yung activation area natin, which includes the bike trail, garden center, green corridor, pet park or dog park, golf driving range, and ginagawa or existing na po ngayon ang event center nila, which is called the Veranda Sunset. So if you are looking for an events place in Nuvali, isa po ito sa magandang option sa loob ng Nuvali South. In Nuvali, no, we have schools inside which are Everest Academy and Miriam College. Yan po yung mga schools na makikita natin sa Nuvali South. And kanina, no, nadaanan naman po natin yung Xavier School. And sa labas ng Nuvali, along Santa Rosa area, makikita naman po natin doon yung UST campus, na Laguna campus, no? It's approximately 40 hectares na mas malaki in Manila. Existing na din po doon yung Lasal. Meron din po tayong University of the East and Balibalita, no? Yung National University naman po na malapit sa SMU La Premier. Na imagine, no? Yung malaking schools na to, nagalapitan kay Nuvali, there is something important sa area na that's why yung mga ibang vloggers tinatawag si Nuvali as the next university belt of the South. Dito na po tayo, no? Malapit sa site ng Corsella Estates Nuvali. And I am very excited na maipakita sa inyo kung gaano kaganda maposition yung investment nyo habang nasa early stage pa lang tayo ng launching ng ating subdivision. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. We are now here sa site ng Corsella Estates Nuvali, no? Actually, hindi ito yung mismong exact location, no? Ibig sabihin, yung dinaanan po natin, diretso po yon sa pinakalikod po ng Mondea, yung Alveo property, no? Doon po located yung ating property. But of course, na sobrang taas ng elevation. Dito pa nga lang sa site na kinakatayuan ko, no? Grabe, sobrang lakas ng hangin, sobrang ang breezy ng feel dito, para ka nasa Tagaytay talaga. Talagang mafe-feel mo talaga yung mataas na elevation. And dito makikita mo yung prime view of Mount Makiling. And sobrang ganda view po dito, no, ng Tagaytay Mountains. Nakita-kita mo yung Highlands area. Corsella Estates Nuvali, no, is categorized siya sa estates category ng ating mga subdivisions. Inside Nuvali, no, we have 3 categories of subdivisions which are Yung pinaka-high-end natin is si estates. Yung gitna naman natin, yung middle to upscale natin is settings. Yung pinaka-affordable segment natin is village. So, kagandahan kay Crisela Estates New Valley, no, amongst the subdivisions of Avida Land inside New Valley, it has the highest elevation up to 219 meters above sea level. So, imagine kung gaano kalamig sa area, no? And dito po, no, it only has 13.5 hectares ng land development niya. Ibig sabihin, almost kalahati ng mga usual na subdivisions natin inside New Valley. So, ibig sabihin, mas maliit ang subdivision, mas konti kayo magkakapit bahay dito. The project is located at the south part of New Valley, ano? So, it transcends two barangays of Calamba, which are the Hornolan and La Guerta. Nakagandahan dito, ano, since Calamba yung location ng property natin, Calamba is considered as the cleanest air in the Philippines. So, imagine, pag dito ka nakatira, ano, mahaba ang buhay, malinis at presko ang hangin, na yan ang pinopromote ng ating subdivision in Crisela Estates, New Valley. Sa ating entire subdivision, no, almost 45% of it is dedicated to open spaces. Grabe talaga, no? Kung gaano gumawa ang Ayala Land ng isang community. So, saan po mapupunta yung 45% na open spaces natin? Mapupunta po ito sa mga walkpath natin, sa mga roads. Sobrang daming mga pocket park sa ating subdivision, no? Of course, meron tayong less than a hectare na amenities, no? Which includes the clubhouse, the adult pool, kiddie pool, playground, jogging path, open spaces, na yan ang pinapromote talaga ng ating subdivision in Crisela Estates, New Valley. And I am very excited, no, na sabihin sa inyo para mauna po tayo, para may chance tayo na makapili ng ating lupa in Crisela Estates, New Valley. Kung gusto mo ng corner lot, may mga options. Kung gusto mo ng inner lot, may mga options. Kung gusto mo ng mga end lot, may mga options. And nakagandahan dito, we offer up to 44 months to pay. This is the longest payment term, no, ng ating subdivisions in New Valley because during the pandemic, no, we only offer up to 36 months to pay. But since ito yung longest, at least ma-position mo yung investment mo sa pre-selling stage, naghuhulog ka lang ng monthly kahit hindi ka nagmamadali, no? Nasa ibang bansa ka, gusto mo pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, you have your high-end retirement home here na sobrang maganda na makabili ka dito kay Crisela Estates, New Valley. In here, no, we have two options. Pwede ka bumili ng lupa lang or pwede ka bumili ng house and lot. For the lot only, you can build your own house as long as modern contemporary and earth colors para nag-blend lang siya together with the nature. When it comes to the height restrictions naman po natin, no, it should be 9 meters from the highest tip of your lot. Since the subdivision is a rolling terrain, ibig sabihin kung ano yung pinakamataas na peak of your lot, doon mag-base ang counting ng ating height restriction. So from that point, up to the highest peak should be 9 meters. So pwede ka pa talaga mag third floor. And kagandahan sa investment mo dito, no, hindi naman nagmamadali ang pagkapatayo ng bahay. Ang mahalaga, makapag-secure ka ng piece of New Valley before maubos ang mga landed natin. Because after this landed subdivisions, puro condos na po ang ibibenta namin. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas na ang value ng lupa by that time. The law of supply and demand, wala na po kaming supply ng lupa and mataas ang demand. So, ang tendency, the price of the property gets higher and higher. Kapag house and lot naman ang bibilin mo, no, sobrang okay ito sa mga buyers natin ng walang time magpatayo ng bahay. Ang gagawin mo, mag-reserve ka lang, pipili po tayo ng location ng house and lot mo, maghihintay ka lang ng turnover, and si Avida na po mismo ang magtatayo ng ating house and lot. So we have two options, no? The first one is Erin. Siya yung smallest na house natin. So the floor area is approximately 98 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And kagandahan dito, meron siyang maliit na room sa baba na pwede mong gawin as coffee area or laundry area or grocery room, or sometimes pwede din siyang gawing maliit na kwarto. And yung second option naman natin, no, is Solea. Ito yung biggest na house and lot natin sa mga estates natin. So ito, 3 bedrooms din siya, pero sa baba mayroon siyang malaking kwarto na pwede mo talagang gawing room. And dito, it has its own toilet and bath sa kanyang master's bedroom. So if house and lot naman po ang hanap nyo, just send me a message. And para mas ma-appreciate nyo, no, kung gaano ba kaganda ang ating Crisela Estates New Valley, I will be showing you some drone shots, some B-rolls of our previous videos from Hillcrest Estates New Valley, no, para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung amenities natin, and gaano kaganda yung community na ino-offer ng ating subdivision. I hope na i-tour ko po kayo no, sa ganda ng ating New Valley Estate and sa site ng ating Crocella Estates New Valley. And you can own this property as low as 16,000 per month. If you are interested to inquire with this beautiful property, no, you can send a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage, that is 0961 462 2138. My Facebook page is The Property Expert, Avidaland by Carlos Steve Singson. If you are liking this real estate content, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, The Property Expert here in New Valley.